Again, I want to make sure that you guys know that we're not here just to show you the green days, but of course, just like anything comes with red days, right? Our job is not to avoid risk. Our job is to manage it. Yesterday, I talked about a swing trade that I've been taking as the NASDAQ market has been going according to plan, meaning that it's been selling off. I like to go into this ETF named SQQQ. It goes up when the NASDAQ market goes down. The past 3 days have all been green, and it's all been thanks to SQQQ, right? Today is a red day. At least it is so far. It's not a big red day, right? Like I said, my job's not to avoid risk. My job is simply to manage it. I'm down about 2,000, 1,600, something like that so far on the day. You could open it. As you can see, today it is Remy and myself. So sorry for the later upload on the day. It's just, again, daddy duties. But I wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of kind of what it is that I see going on. As of right now, on this 5-minute time frame, we could see that the overall NASDAQ market was trading below this moving average, showing signs of lower highs, lower lows. We recently broke above it. That's when it was beginning to show signs of it potentially being bullish once again, but now it has pulled on back, lower highs, lower lows. Now it's testing the support on the moving average. And if we break below this, we can really step on the gas on SQQQ, as we should see a nice little gap down, maybe to the 370, maybe the 369. I just don't know if there's going to be enough time left on Friday with only 1 hour left, and it being obviously Friday, so the market's closed tomorrow, right? Nonetheless, again, when looking at this on the 30-minute time frame, we're still trading below the moving average. We're testing the EMA line as a support, and on the 1 hour time frame, we are testing the moving average as a support. So even if the market were to close with where it is that we're at right now, I think it's going to put us in a very interesting spot for next week. For those that are unaware, CPI data report is next week, which is the inflation report. It's probably one of the single most important economic reports on a monthly basis that is released that will determine how aggressive or how dovish the Federal Reserve is with future rate hikes, right? So we're at a critical point. We could see potential signs of a support here, maybe begin to recover. But if this inflation report comes in worse than what was expected, then we can easily see the break below the moving average and all the way back down to the 359, 355 maybe, as we saw maybe 2 weeks ago when the NASDAQ market was selling off. Like we've said it before, there's always money to be made as long as you focus on one thing, and that's market direction. I've obviously have been trying to make money as the market has been pulling on back for the past week. Today was kind of just more of a choppier day, but I'm going to close out my position for the weekend. I'm going to start the week fresh. I would love for you guys to tune on into our live session as soon as Monday, right? And then for you guys to be able to get a taste of what it's like to watch me trade live, and based off of if the market is bullish or bearish will determine if I go into TQs or in SQs. Yes, my style of trading is literally super, super simple because all I focus on are SQQQ and TQQQ. But like so many other people say, right? Why change something that isn't broken? Or why fix something that isn't broken? So you can see that I'm going back into that break even for the day right now. And we'll see. We'll see if we have a strong close. We're about to enter power hour, which is the last hour of the market close. And we'll see if we get a nice little rip up, which will allow me to end the week on a green note. So I appreciate your time. I hope to see you for our live trading session on Monday. That's going to be the second link in the description down below. I want to remind you, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access. You'll get to watch me trade live every single day. And I hope to see you there. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.